Hi, this is Laura Robles with Walter's Gardens. Today we wanted to show you some of the Nepeta that we have blooming out in the display garden right now. It's a perfect opportunity to take a look at all the different varieties that we carry and talk you through what the differences are between them. So the first one to show you is right behind me here. This is Kitten Around. Disclaimer, this whole bed was just planted last year. The Kitten Around is still getting established, so it's taking its time a little bit. This is the smallest variety basically that we do carry. It stays in about the 10 to 12 inch height range. So as you can see, it's a nice little compact variety, but it will get a little bit more sizable once it's established. The next variety here is Cat's Pajamas. This is in our Proven Winner program. Cat's Pajamas is also a compact variety. It does have just slightly more size than the Kitten Around. Great top to bottom flower coverage. And then this is also a variety that will bloom about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than a lot of the other Nepeta. Moving along, the next one that we come to here is Persian Blue. So Persian Blue is another one that's in our non-branded program. This one's a little bit larger than the Cat's Pajamas, so more in the 14 to 18 inch range in height. Next we come to Cat's Meow. So Cat's Meow is another variety that's in the Proven Winners program. This one is going to be a little bit larger yet, so compared to Cat's Pajamas, this one's about twice the height, in about the 16 to 20 inch range for height. And then last but not least, behind us here, we have Walker's Low. So Walker's Low is the largest variety that we carry. You can see by the habit, it is a little bit more open and wispy than the other varieties, and that one will get up into about the 24 to 28 inch range in height. Thank you for watching, and like us on Facebook for more information.